Hello， 大家好啦！咁我今日就想平清翻大量嘅 Squishy 啦，咁買家須知就會打翻喺 description box 嘅，咁就記住睇咗先嚟揾我啦。咁而家就開始 sell 啦。首先呢，就有呢一隻 XO 嘅 Super Rare 啦，咁佢就係有啲甩色啦，同埋係 full tiny cracks 嘅。咁呢一隻係 Super Rare 嚟㗎啦，咁就 sell 翻咗150蚊啦。跟住呢，就有呢兩隻嘅 RK tag 啦。咁啡色呢隻就係 no cracks defect 嘅，咁白色呢隻呢，就係佢塊面呢度就有啲 cracks 啦。咁就有齊晒個 tag 嗰啲嘅，咁就冇咗 OP 啦。咁呢兩隻就 sell 翻咗300蚊兩隻啦。之後呢，就有呢一隻富士山啦，咁就係 BNIP 嘅，咁佢就呢度有少少 cracks 啦。咁好 storizing 嘅，咁呢一隻就 sell 翻咗65蚊啦。跟住呢，就有呢兩隻 Sammy 嘅 cup 啦，咁就 sell 翻咗200蚊兩隻啦。咁之後就有呢個 Mother Garden 嘅咖啡杯啦，咁呢一隻就 sell 翻咗50啦，咁就 BNIP no cracks defect 嘅。之後就有呢一隻 Snoopy 嘅賓啦，咁好 storizing 嘅，咁就 sell 翻咗25蚊啦，咁有翻個 tag。跟住呢，就有呢一隻嘅紅洗嘅菠蘿包啦，咁呢一隻就 sell 翻咗30蚊啦，咁就 BNIP no cracks defect 嘅。跟住呢，就會有呢一隻 Ibloom 嘅 Baby Bear 啦，咁你就當佢 full cracks 啦。咁呢隻就 sell 翻10蚊啦，咁佢好 storizing 嘅。咁跟住呢，就有呢一個 Cafe Dien 嘅 sandwich 啦，咁就係舊版嚟嘅。咁呢一隻就 sell 翻咗30啦，咁佢有少少爆開咗 OP， 30啦。跟住呢，就有呢一個55蚊嘅 Squishy set 啦，咁有呢隻 Cafe Dien 舊版嘅puff 啦，跟住有呢個新版嘅 macaron， 之後就有呢個 Daiso 嘅熊仔賓啦，同埋呢一個 Cafe Dien 新版嘅 waffle 啦。咁呢一 set 就 sell 翻做55蚊啦。跟住呢，就有呢兩隻嘅 burger 啦，咁就 sell 翻做80蚊兩隻啦。咁兩隻都係 BNIP no cracks defect 嘅，80蚊兩隻啦。跟住呢，就有呢一個 Cafe Dien 舊版嘅 burger 啦，咁就有翻個 tag 嘅。咁呢一隻呢，就係 full cracks 啦，同埋個 package 就爛咗嘅，係啦。咁呢一隻就好厚實啦，就 sell 翻咗10蚊啦，係啦。跟住呢，就有呢啲 Disney 嘅 headband 嘅 set 啦，係啦。咁首先就有呢個 Mickey 啦，咁呢啲全部都係50蚊一 set 啦。跟住有 Minnie 啦，之後有呢個係 Chip 同埋 Dale 啦，係咯。咁呢啲就全部都係50蚊一 set 嘅，係啦。咁跟住呢，就有呢一隻 Ibloom 嘅熊貓啦，咁呢隻就 sell 翻30啦，咁就係 BNIP no cracks defect 嘅。之後呢，就有一 set 嘅 Dreamy Sheep 啦，咁首先就有呢個係彩虹色嘅，跟住有呢一個粉紅色啦，有呢個紫色，有白色啦，同埋有呢個藍色嘅，咁就一 set 齊晒啦。咁5隻都係 BNIP no cracks defect 好 storizing 嘅。咁仲有呢一隻啦，咁呢隻係 mini size 嘅，咁佢係有啲生產問題同埋有 cracks 嘅，咁但係佢都係冇開過啦。咁一 set 6隻呢，就 sell 翻咗180蚊6隻啦，係啦，180蚊6隻。跟住呢，就有呢兩隻嘅棉花糖啦，咁有呢一個係彩色嘅，同埋有呢個白色啦。咁就 sell 翻45蚊一隻，80蚊兩隻啦。咁兩隻都係 BNIP no cracks defect 嘅。跟住呢，就有呢個青蛙啦，咁佢就係 BNIP 嘅，咁就 sell 翻30蚊啦。咁佢 no cracks defect 嘅。跟住就有呢一隻 Ibloom 嘅雪糕啦，咁呢隻係 Super Rare 嚟嘅，咁就 full cracks 啦，咁就 sell 翻做80蚊啦。跟住就有呢一隻 Cafe Dien 嘅 puff 啦。咁呢一隻呢，就 sell 翻做15蚊啦，係啦。咁之後就有呢個 Ibloom 嘅香蕉啦，咁就 sell 翻20蚊啦。咁佢有 cracks 嘅，係，咁但係就唔係 full 啦。之後呢，就有呢一 set 嘅 Polly 嘅賓啦，咁全部都係 BNIP no cracks defect 嘅，咁就 sell 翻做50蚊3隻啦，係50蚊3隻啦。咁跟住就有呢隻 Mother Garden 嘅馬騮啦，咁就 sell 翻咗10蚊啦，係啦，好 storizing 嘅。咁開個 package 啦，之後呢，就有呢兩隻嘅 share bread 啦，咁 咁就 sell 翻60蚊兩隻啦。咁呢個有翻 OP 嘅，咁我就移開咗啲 Squishy 啦。咁而家就繼續 sell 啦。咁跟住就有呢一隻嘅 Winnie the Pooh 嘅南瓜啦。係啦，咁就係 super rare 嚟嘅。咁呢一隻就 sell 翻咗180蚊啦。跟住咧就有呢兩隻嘅 Mickey 同埋 Minnie 嘅 remix 啦。咁呢兩隻就 sell 翻咗30蚊兩隻啦。跟住就有呢一塊雙撲嘅 toast 啦。咁就好 squishy 嘅，咁就係 iBloom 噶啦。咁呢一塊咧就 sell 翻咗35蚊啦。跟住咧就有呢4隻柴犬嘅 toast 啦。咁首先就有呢一個款啦。跟住有呢個啦，咁全部都係好 soft 好 squishy DNIP no crest defect 嘅，咁同埋而家都幾少見啦。咁就 sell 翻做50蚊一塊啦，180蚊4塊嘅，咁最好就一 set 咁樣買啦。跟住咧就有呢一個 set 啦，首先就有呢隻 Disney Store 嘅 cake roll 啦，之後就有呢一個 Cafe Sakura 嘅手指餅啦，最後咧就有呢一個 Cafe Dien 舊版嘅 macaron 啦。係啦，咁呢一 set 咧就 sell 翻做50蚊3隻啦。跟住咧就有呢兩隻嘅 share bread 啦。咁呢兩隻咧就 sell 翻做60蚊兩隻啦。跟住就仲有呢兩隻嘅，咁呢兩隻就 sell 翻做65蚊兩隻啦。係啊，咁好 squishy 嘅。咁呢兩隻有翻 OP 啦。咁跟住咧就有呢兩隻 iBloom 嘅 squeeze toy 啦，咁係 super rare 嚟嘅。係啊，咁呢個係 DNIP 嘅咯。係咯，咁而家係勁少見啦。咁就 sell 翻120蚊兩隻啦。跟住咧就有呢一隻 Winnie the Pooh 嘅 headband 啦。咁有翻 OP 嘅，咁呢一隻就 sell 翻做20蚊啦。跟住咧就有呢一 set Stitch 嘅 headband 啦，咁就 sell 翻做20蚊兩隻啦。係啦，咁就一大一細嘅。咁之後咧就有呢一隻 Winnie the Pooh 嘅 headband 啦，咁有 license 嘅，咁冇咗 OP 啦。咁呢一隻就 sell 翻做15蚊啦。咁之後咧就會有呢一 set 第3代嘅 realistic bread 啦，咁就 sell 翻80蚊5隻啦。係咯，咁就有翻底子嘅，咁全部都係 DNIP no crest defect 嘅。咁最後咧就有呢一隻嘅羊啦，咁佢超大隻。咁呢一隻就 sell 翻做50蚊啦。咁呢隻最好就面交或者信封啦。咁我今條 video 要 sell 嘅 Squishy 就係咁多啦。咁希望大家會幫手清貨啦。咁我哋下條 video 再見啦，拜拜。